Hello guys, so I'm gonna tell you about IMVOP Plus, what is IMVOP Plus, and in the IMVOP Plus, what they're gonna give us. So there are many rumors that in IMVOP Plus we can use IMVU black market products. Also, we can use 18 plus actions and 18 plus products like cigarettes and stuff like that. So also this is an end of IMVU black market. So let's go to IMVU AP plus page. So IMVU AP plus launching soon. So they're gonna give us exclusive content on IMVU AP plus adult theme rooms and outfits and accessories to spice up our IMU experience. So they also gonna give us private chat room to enjoy and intimate and private conversations with IMVP plus age verified members. So they also telling us we need age verification if we need IMVP plus. So fully customizable avatars. Also they gonna give us IMVP page. We can use enhanced body parts and poses, also actions in IMVP plus like IMVU black market products. So I hope you like this IMVU update. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.